How you guys are doing, and welcome back to another video. But before I can dive in, make sure you follow, like, share this video, and most importantly subscribe to this channel. Alright, and also I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So we're back at another video with e-estate. E-estate has been a huge blessing because I got started in this amazing opportunity back on the 25th of October, all right, 2025. All right, and before I dive into this opportunity, I was doing other things, and my good friend of mine said, hey, you should take a look at it. I took a look at it, right, and lo and behold, I was on a webinar. I took action on it, guys, and I actually won a giveaway, and I used that, and my journey has started ever since, right? So that original money that I won, I'm actually compounding my money. I'm actually growing my money. So the beautiful part about e-estate is that you're going to gain the knowledge. You're going to learn what real estate tokenization is all about. You're going to know that real estate is the future of all digital things, right? Digital tokenization is the new wave right now. Okay, so if you guys want to learn more deeply on how real estate tokenization works, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video. All right, click on the link, watch the video so you can be educated on how everything works. That's important, guys, because many times we are misinformed on how things work, and it's so crucial to learn how things work. Okay, today we did phenomenal. Today we did $25.05, guys. Okay, and I want to shout out to family friend, okay, who got started of the opportunity and took action on a one-to-one match, guys. I want to say this, guys. The one-on-one match was supposedly supposed to end tomorrow. Now they have extended the match bonus, all right, until September 3rd. So take action on this, and you want to know on how everything works, guys. You have to get started with a minimum of $1,000 or more. As soon as you do that, they will match it, and then within like 12 hours or 24 hours is going to be showing up in your back office. All right, that is the beautiness of this opportunity. All right, you can get started also as I started as low as $10, guys, but don't let $10 be your only decision. All right, you start small and you work your way up. Don't just be stuck at just only investing $10. Okay, you're not gonna make much money. All right, but I'm gonna tell you guys this: properties are being sold out. Okay, being sold out. We had 2 properties that were sold out yesterday. Okay, yesterday 2 properties were sold out, and that was the Desert Villa and the LA. And I'm so grateful that I took action on this, guys, and got myself, whew, man, I got myself the properties. And I said to myself, I said, you know what, I need to start making passive income. I want my money to work for me instead of me working for money. That's how you guys got to start thinking. I want my money to work for me instead of me working for money. And how you're going to get ahead is position yourself and investing, putting your money to work. Because here's the beautiful part about money: it doesn't get tired. You don't ask for, hey, can I take a break? No. All right, so that's the beautiness of having properties that works for you. Okay, so also there is a referral program with this opportunity, but if you want to dive in and learn more deeply, make sure you go to the link in the description right below. This video is going to break everything down step by step, so on how it can help you financially for you. All right, for you and your family. If you have kids, it could benefit them as well. All right, and also too, guys, take action on the promos as well, and you guys gonna be good to go. All right, and also too, guys, let me show you guys something. I like to be transparent. I'm up $198.41. all right, let me show you guys something real quick. I withdrawn on the platform of $4,291.66. all right, let me show you this, how much I'm invested. All right, investment side. Right, let me show you guys on how much I'm invested. All right, so I'm invested over $4,917.71, guys. I withdrawn, as you guys seen. All right, I withdrawn over $4,000. That is huge. While I have my money still working for me, guys. That's a beautiful part about this opportunity. My money is still working for you. And also, you do not need to share this if you don't want to share. If you're not a person like to share, it's okay, no worries. You still make passive income. But if you want to start to share this opportunity, make sure you take this seriously, guys. Take it very serious. Don't just join it and then not do anything with it. Because the moment you do that, most people will say, hey, this doesn't work. It works. You just got to make it work. You just got to make it happen. All right. So take action on this, guys. Don't forget to give me a follow, a like, and share this content. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.